Good evening, students. Now the next part I am going to explain of 100 dresses part 1. It is page number is not given 66. Page number is 66. So Vanda and Petrovsky. Vanda Petrovsky was a girl who was the poorest among all three. Maddie and Peggy used to make fun of that girl by asking how many dresses you have. Then she used to answer, I have 100 dresses. Then when she answered this question that I have 100 dresses, then all of the students who were playing hopscotch, they used to stop and started to listen. What is she saying? 100 dresses, and she used to wear only one blue faded dress. How is it possible? After that she said that all the dresses are lined in my closet. After that Peggy used to ask how all are silk, all are of silk. Then she yes, silk also. Then Peggy said that some of them velvet maybe, yes, some of them are of velvet also. Then she used to ask that all are alike. Then she said no, all are not alike. All are of different colors and all are arranged in my closet. All are arranged in my closet. And then they would let her go after asking these type of questions. When she had not gone very far, she had gone very far, and till that time she could listen the sound of laughing, that they were laughing at her. 100 dressing, obviously she is telling a lie, and because she wears only one dress daily. Then second question, they used to ask how many pairs of shoes you have. Then she used that 60 pairs. Then Peggy again asked, all are alike? No, all colors and all different type of colors I have, and each pair is different. All are lined up. Peggy, who had thought up this game, means who had thought up to asking the question. Maddie, her inseparable friend, were always last to leave because they used to see how Vanda was going towards her home alone, because she used to come and go home alone. And whenever she was walking school, she was moving her shoulder in a funny way. She used to move her shoulder in a funny manner. Peggy was not very cruel. Instead, she was not doing all these things intentionally. And because she protected small children from bullies. Bullies are the people who make afraid of the weak people. Okay. And whenever any animal is mistreated, she started to cry. And whenever anyone asked that why are you teasing Vanda, then she used to ask, we are not teasing, we not make her cry. And why does she answer tell a lie that she has 100 dresses and 60 pairs of shoes? It is everyone knows that this is a lie. And no one has a name like that she has, like Vanda Petrovsky, such long name. Yeah, we are not teasing her. As for Maddie, when Vanda used you to ask her question, Peggy used to ask her question, how many dresses you have, how many shoes you have, how many hat you have, how many this you have, how many that you have. Then Maddie started to feel very embarrassed, but she does not have that courage that she should say to Peggy also. First, what was the reason? First of all, she was most popular in the school. Secondly, she was also very poor, and she used to wear the clothes which were given to her by Peggy, and she used to alter those clothes and started to wear. If I will say something to Peggy, then she will be my enemy, and her next target will be me. So Peggy did not, though Maddie did not like all these things that Peggy was asking such questions to her. So when Peggy was asking Vanda those questions, she was just looking at the marbles which were in their hands. She was counting them, rolling them, but she did not say anything. If Peggy will not start any question this game then she will not care about Vanda. Who is Vanda? What is she doing? She will not be worried. But because of her friendship, she was giving support, or she was with the Peggy. And then said really she is telling lie that she has 100 dresses, though she is also poor. Maybe she is as poor as Vanda or maybe less poor, but I would not have courage to tell such a big lie that I have 100 dresses and 60 pairs of shoes. This is for the day.